everyone, welcome to BotKida. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your WhatsApp business account to BotKida in just 5 steps. First, go to BotKida dashboard. Then under WhatsApp select Connect Account, and then as you can see a highlighted button called Connect WhatsApp is here, so click on it. Here you will see two options. One is with catalog and another one is without catalog. For instance, I am selecting without catalog. Log in your Facebook account for proceed next. Click Get Started. Then select the correct business portfolio. And then click Next. Click Next. Here enter your WhatsApp business account name and display name. Select your business category. Then click Next. Select country code and then enter new number. Enter OTP. Click Finish. That's it, WhatsApp account connected successfully. Click on the register button. A pop-up box will appear where you need to put a 6-digit PIN code. Default PIN 123456. You have connected WhatsApp number successfully. Now check the description for payment details, business verification, and profile settings steps. Thanks for watching the video.